All right, well, here we are, back again. It's a late night. Little girl soccer practice. Got that over with, ate with the fam. Did a small little workout, and now we're back. Then we get back up in the morning and we come to work. Good thing about being at work here, though, is I can work on some of these cabinets and stuff while I'm here. Welcome to Urban Upton's. This is where we're gonna start putting these cabinets together. How these vloggers do this, I don't know, probably terrible lighting. Alrighty, we're back. Take a second there, go down and get some of the doors and parts. Got me a handle here so my arm don't wear out. We're gonna go down here and make me a jig for the doors. So I'm gonna make me a jig. That's what's happening right now. I'm making a jig. And I'll have anywhere to set you. Okay. I'm gonna make a jig and then we'll be back. Alrighty. Got my thing to set you on. The plan here, use this block, which is gonna suck because it's short. Use that. We're gonna cut her 6 inches. Then we're gonna take off 2.5. We're gonna put a little piece on each side. We'll put a hinge in it. We can set the hinge, boom, drill a hole. Boom, drill a hole. He may have some little pieces over here I can kind of steal from him. So I'll set y'all down. Hopefully y'all ain't losing me too bad. Moving on up, probably not out. We're gonna take one of them hinges. I'll have to have more than that, but got our hinge. I feel like I'm gonna have to take the little dimples off of it.
She do me so good, friends call me a dummy, cause she taking all my money, but I make it rain like 24/7. If it mean a little time with you, break my heart and leave me hurt, the next one just gon' do me worse. So if they all no good, I'll just be bad with you. Cause my mother told me as a child, boy, don't play around with fire, cause you might just end up getting burned. And I know try my best, but there's some lessons hard for me to learn. Like good boys don't play with bad girls. Good boys stay away from them bad girls.
Now we have two more. A little banjo. This gonna go in. Buckles in there. Let's just, I need to eliminate screws here. Okay. Take through, I should just put the box in. We'll use these little plastic doohickeys on the hinges. Probably be good for like a MDF, like a particle board door, but for what we do here at Kendor, these solid doors, I promise you, I don't need the little plastic doohickey. Hardwood, it'll hold it. Yes, I know, I'm just doing one at a time. But I want to go this on there. Hang on to that for me. Just that's it. Okay, so basically, light little dude, roll off. Maybe we should have drilling it in the right spot. This one was let's just go. Oh wait. So I drilled down lower. We're all the way around, not left-handed. Ready?
Sure. I know where it ends.
We're gonna pick this one up and set it right here. With just face the doors that way. And then we can put the backs on and then we'll put it back on here.
How you approaching this?
How am I approaching it? Just like, make sure you got a finger under it?
Yeah.
Make sure you lean it back, the door should do that.
That's probably it.
Boom. Super look. I don't have to have any more staples. Still good.
Oh, shit. Is that my good side too? Nope. It's not. It didn't hurt it.
Good one.
No, it didn't.
There you go.
Bob's sticking out a little bit.
Huh?
Bob's sticking out a little bit.
Will it go in? Hit it. Push it in.
Yeah. Not going.
It's not?
No.
Look. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Oh, you just set it back on here.
Well, you were like walking weird.
I'm trying to leave this part.
My hand's under.
Woman out. Oh, watch the door. Don't let it hit you. Alright, so we got those two right there done. That's not the end. That's the good end. That's what you'll see. We got those two done. This drawer stack's done. And then it died on me while I don't know how much we filmed of this. But we got this one done. Yes, I know, those doors look like they're different colors in the camera. I'm hoping it's just dusty. Who knows? They do look like two totally different whites. Not real sure why they look like two different whites. See it?
This one looks wider.
Yeah,
Probably just the lights in it.
I'm hoping so. Anyway, we got that done. I want to leave this open, like it says no.
Is this something easy?
Yeah.
Drop a comment down below what you want to do.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, because I've already had it done by the time it gets posted. Do we?
Hit that follow button. You gotta say.
Okay.
Hit that follow button.
He's a better tuber than me. Alright, so we're gonna go down here and turn everything off and get out of here and go home and go to bed and then get back up and do it again in the morning. Like Ethan said, hit the follow button, subscribe button, whatever it is. You can leave a comment on what you think I should do with that cabinet, put the door in it.
Follow button.
I love him. He's goofy. Anyway, leave a comment below what you think I should do with that door. Anyway, see you guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
All right, babe.
Hello, hello.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's down at the bottom. Ain't it?
Yeah, there it is. Huh? Yep,
So
she's.
this is our front porch, but then this.